Cryptocurrency exchanges are experiencing more issues in Japan. Altogether, 5 exchanges have withdrawn their applications for licenses. Tokyo Gateway and Mr. Exchange are the most recent ones to announce their decisions to withdraw their applications. Mr. Exchange posted on its website that it tried to make some improvements, but it seemed to be too difficult, and they are unable to meet the requirements of the Fukuoka Financial Bureau. Mr. Exchange is currently discussing procedures for smoothly returning customer assets. Bitcoin and many other top cryptocurrencies are in the red today. Now, Bitcoin continues to fall, so let's take a look. Bitcoin dropped under $7,600 today. Even though this looks pretty bad, it is still not the worst day it had this year. That was February 6th, when we briefly saw a dive below $6,000. So, do you think death is approaching Bitcoin? Well, some analysts are claiming that Bitcoin is coming close to a death cross on the charts. Jim Norioro of TJM Institutional Services wrote to CNBC stating that we are talking about Bitcoin. I think it's important to remember that we don't have much history to go off on to identify long-term trends. That being said, anytime the 50-day crosses the 200-day, it should flash a warning. And when you couple that with the fact that Bitcoin has been trending steadily lower since the launch of futures, I think that it is a major negative. Now, not everyone agrees with this though, and many remain bullish and will actually hodl as they wait for some uptrend movements. Thomas Lee, co-founder of Fundstrat Global, posted on Twitter this month, "For those waiting for sub $6,000, keep in mind last time it touched 5,900, it was for 30 minutes. He added that when sentiment is this awful in a market, we tend to see fire, ready, aim, meaning Bitcoin is vulnerable to sell-off on negative headlines. Technicals also are not strong, but that does not change the positive medium or long-term picture. Thomas Lee believes patience and perspective is needed." The total cryptocurrency market cap continues to head lower, so let's take a look. We saw it drop dramatically to around this level on February 6th, but we saw it climb again the next day, so we'll be able to recover as easily as last time. On January 7th, it hit a record high of over 827 billion. But before we start to panic, let's not forget that this time last year, the total cryptocurrency market cap was only around $24 billion. Well, what do you think? Are you hodling and are you staying positive? Or do you think it is game over? Well, share with us your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. See you later.